Now, before I start, I would like to make one general comment, and it's a comment which every defence counsel who appears before this court is obliged to make. So if the mainstream media in the Philippines and the NGOs reporting on his case today report anything about the defence's submissions, I hope that they will at least communicate the following faithfully. The defence does not disrespect the soul of any deceased person, nor does it make light of the loss of life. Any criticism made by us today will not be levelled at the loved ones of those such as the tearful relative who I saw in the gallery here on Tuesday. The defence's criticism will be confined only to the prosecution's document containing the charges, which governs these proceedings, not what has been reported elsewhere in the media. It's not the defence's role to give an alternative narrative, nor to give an explanation for the facts and figures presented by the prosecution. The defence's role is simply to persuade your honours that Mr. Rodrigo Duterte should not remain in detention for years to come, simply because the prosecution cannot make out substantial grounds to believe that this individual committed the crimes with which he is charged.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.